How to use ChatGPT app. So once you've downloaded the app, simply click onto it. And first you will need to log into your account. So if you already have an account, simply log into your account either with Apple, Google, or you can sign up with email, or you can just log in with your email. So I'm gonna log in with my Google account. So I'm gonna click on continue with Google. And once I've entered my information, it's gonna ask me to open my Gmail app to confirm that it's actually me. So here in Gmail, it's asking me, hey, are you trying to sign in? So I'm gonna click on yes, it's me. And then I'm gonna go back to ChatGPT. Just like that, I was able to log in. Now, first, we're gonna see this welcome message here. And it says that ChatGPT can be inaccurate. Don't share your sensitive information and control your chat history. So click on continue and you're ready to start using ChatGPT on your phone. So here in the top right corner, if you click on those three dots, we have three options. You can see your chat history. If you click on the settings right here, you can see your email, your subscription. You have the option to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. You have data controls. If you click on this color scheme, you can change it to a dark version. You can also turn on or off the haptic feedback. You can change the main language for the speech. So for example, if you use your speech in any other language. So for example, you can click here and you can choose which language you would like the speech detection to be in, or you can just have it auto detect. Let's go ahead and actually start typing something here. So we can type in, hey, how are you? And then if we send it, we can see that right away we get an answer from ChatGPT. Now, the beautiful thing about this is that we can actually click right here next to the send button, and it's going to ask us if we would like to access the microphone. So we can ask a question using our voice. So let's say that I'm going to say, okay, and let me think of something to ask. Hey, ChatGPT, can you please explain to me why squirrels are so good at climbing trees? And as you can see, exactly what I said. So now I have the option to either delete this or send it. And voila, ChatGPT answers my question. So this is truly amazing that you can ask with your voice and everything is available on your phone. So now if you click on the three dots in the top right corner, you have a couple of different options. First, you can share the chat. So you can copy the link and people will be able to see this chat. You can also rename this chat, or if you want, you can also delete this chat. And if I would like to start a new chat, I simply click on the three dots in the top right corner, and then I click on new chat. And this is how easy it is to use ChatGPT app on your phone. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.